Today we are going to talk about Vodafone Idea. But before I go, guys, join us tomorrow on Wednesday on special Black Friday session workshop, guys. 10x portfolio workshop. I am going to give you golden nuggets how to create a massive portfolio. And Black Friday offer is that do join it. I given the link below. Click that webinar and join us on time on Wednesday 8 p.m. Vodafone Idea is up by almost 13% today. The reason is but obvious, but bank guarantee of 24,700 crore rupees of is been waived off by government. What government is saying now that okay, you don't have to provide bank guarantee for the earlier spectrum you have already purchased. Okay, actually this rule was applicable from 2022 onwards that there will be no bank guarantee on that. But earlier, before 2022, whichever spectrum you have bought, you have to pay a bank guarantee for that. And that was pending for Vodafone a lot. And even in between, also earlier, almost 340 crore rupees of bank guarantee they were not able to give. Another, no, almost 24,700 crore rupees of bank guarantee they have to give in future, which now is being waived off. Okay, so overall 30,000 crore rupees of bank guarantee was pending from all these three telecom companies like Vodafone, Airtel, and Jio. Now that has been gone. So if you ask, even Jio and Airtel is also beneficial, but of course the biggest chunk was Vodafone Idea. Out of 30,000 crore rupees, 24,700 crore rupees was of Vodafone Idea only. So that is a big relief. Now, is the profit is increasing? No, the profit is not increasing. This is just a bank guarantee which telecom need to be given to the bank that is been waived off. तो इससे कोई प्रॉफिट बढ़ नहीं रहा. It is just that your liquidity, your cash in hand will increase because if you are not giving that guarantee, आपके पास पड़ा है and that you can use it for some other spectrum buying and all that expansion facility and all that. And Vodafone Idea was talking about this too and requesting government also lot many times that was waive off this because from 2022 you are already waived off. So earlier be waive off color, so then you have a better cash available for you and working capital available for you. Basically, that working capital will help for you can say no expansion plan and all that. So yes, this is a big relief, and you can say that no कहते हैं कि see at the end of the day government का भी stake है इसमें Vodafone Idea में, and government wants at least three telecom player in the country. Now because that Supreme Court has if you remember almost a few months back, they've given a Supreme Court decision that they are not going to give any AGR that dues, all that, which was pending. They're not going to refer that case again, and that almost 35,000 crore rupees of, almost wave off अगर होने वाला होता तो that is been now been not there. And that's a liability of almost ADR due is almost 70,000 crore rupees of Vodafone Idea. And because of that only, if you remembered, it was trading around 14 rupees. It has gone up to 6 rupees, almost gone down. And now because of this, again, it has gone up about 7 rupees. Now, we have to understand that like many investors has sent me today morning message what to do with Vodafone. Is it again a big rally starting and all that? See guys, understand this is just a working capital for them. ओके स्टिल ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई उनको कोई मार्केट शेयर उनको गेन हो गया या ये सब हो गया. इवन देयर एवरेज रेवेन्यू पर यूजर इज अराउंड 150 155 while if you see the Bharti is around 220 225, even at this Geo is around 195 odds. So still they are way behind. Still there have to grow like anything. They need lot of capital. They've already raised 24,000 crore rupees earlier. Okay, they are going to raise 25,000 crore through another round of funding. 10,000 crore rupees of loan they are going to take it. So they're going to do lot many stuff in order to grow from here. But the problem lies is that whether they are going to regain that customer which they have lost against Jio or Airtel. If you remember 2016, they were almost 42 to 45% of telecom business. Okay, subscribers. After that, Jio entered 2017, and now currently Jio is almost 40 to 43, and now Vodafone is struggling for the survival. So that type of competition can literally change the dynamics. लेकिन भारतीय एयरटेल को कुछ नहीं हुआ ना. दैट इज वेयर नो योर मैनेजमेंट, योर सॉलिड बिजनेस प्लेज अ बिग रोल. भारतीय एयरटेल स्टिल मेंटेन दैट शेयर, and still if you ask me, he that share is much better than Vodafone. Again, not a recommendation, just comparison part of where I'm talking about the fundamental and all that. Please do your own analysis before investing. I have not invested in Vodafone Idea. Many of my clients may have invested, then I don't know. Just a disclaimer for you. But yes, if you see, just to give you a pure comparison, Bharti Airtel has been grown by 30% CAGR in last 3 years. Against Vodafone Idea is still negative return. So we always, retail investors go for the penny stock and all that. No, और suddenly थोड़ा 10-20% ऊपर जाता है, हमें लगता है कि बस अब तो झिंगा लाला हो गया, अब तो ये ऊपर ही जाएगा. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ यहाँ से जा नहीं सकता है. The reason why I am telling you is that don't come into that influence that now things are, everything is sorted out for Vodafone. Still, struggle is big, very big. Boss, 5G spectrum already. Bharti Airtel and even Jio is way ahead compared to Vodafone. What do you know? Vodafone biggest share is 2G, 2G यूजर्स. अब 2G कौन यूज कर रहा है? तो जो अभी तो भारतीय एयरटेल जियो ने तो ऑलमोस्ट बंद ही कर दिया 2G, सो दैट यूजर्स इज स्टिल विथ वोडाफोन. लेकिन कभी ना कभी तो वो भी एब्सोल्यूट होने वाले. कहने का मतलब ये है कि यू हैव टू डू लॉट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट इन फ्यूचर इफ यू रियली वांट टू सर्वाइव. एंड व्हेन यू हैव अ 2,43,000 crore rupees of debt sitting on your balance sheet, your interest कॉस्ट, ओके, उनका जो इंटरेस्ट कॉस्ट है ना, दैट इज मोर देन देयर इबिटा लेवल. ओके, सो आप समझो दैट इंटरेस्ट कॉस्ट इज टू, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दिस कंपनी इज गोइंग लॉस इन 2,43,000 crore rupees. कितना बड़ा इंटरेस्ट आता है. एंड दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट when you have this type of company where no lot of if you see their, yeah, interest rate is almost 25,000 crore rupees. Okay, so when you have this type of interest rate, understand what type of turnaround of business should be there in order to suffice all this and in order to grow. हाँ, लेकिन ये कंपनी बहुत ही डाउन है, 6-7 rupees. तो थोड़ा भी रिवाइवल आता है then stock may get easily double or triple. Now if you want to play that game, no one can stop you. Okay, I'm not denying that you cannot play a game, but it's always a risky. And as a rational investor, unless you don't, if you want to do a speculation, yes, this is one type of speculation only. बस हो गया तो 3 गुना हो जाएगा, 4 गुना हो जाएगा. हो भी सकता है, ना भी हो सकता है. 3 साल में तो रिटर्न दिया नहीं है, आगे जाके देगा. Like now you may say कि no, government want to keep 3 companies, so at the end government stake is then Vodafone, तो ये तो सवाल होगा. Then it is all about if and buts, if and you want to play that if and buts, no one can stop you. But no, as an investor you have to my always say will be that no, you have to find a solid company, a fundamental good company where you don't have to take so much of tension कि कल उठ के क्या आया और सडनली ये स्टॉक 15% गिर गया, कभी 10% ऊपर चला गया. सो इफ यू आर ओके विद दिस टाइप ऑफ वॉलेटिलिटी, प्लीज गो एंड बाय. Otherwise, no, just go with a solid companies, because the more important is you earn return. Okay, like many of the investor, retail investor comes to me and say, Tapan, मुझे तो 20% कमाना है, 25%. Then you see Bharti Airtel has given you in last 3 years 29% CAGR return. Why, what else you know? Don't have to take too much of tension. It is going. I'm not recommending Bharti Airtel. I'm just making you understand how is the psyche of ours, that in that अर्निंग, लाइक नो, वी ऑलवेज फील के 6 रुपए का 7 रुपए का स्टॉक सस्ता होता है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. 6 रुपए का 7 रुपए का स्टॉक, वाई दे दैट स्टॉक इज लाइंग इन दैट प्राइस, बिकॉज दिस दे आर डूइंग वेरी बैड बिजनेस. उनका बिजनेस चल नहीं रहा है. स्टॉक 1,000 पे 2,000 पे इसलिए चल रहा है बिकॉज दे आर डूइंग गुड बिजनेस. सो यू हैव टू थिंक इन दैट मैनर गाइस, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली. नाउ what is the roadmap from here for Vodafone? Vodafone has to do a big investment in 5G spectrum. They have to invest big money. That's why they are collecting almost now no trend almost 35,000 crore rupees in coming months in order to fund that expansion. The good thing is this 24,700 crore rupees of bank guarantee has been waived off, so वो भी उनको कैश होएगा. तो उस तरह से वो शायद ग्रो करना चाहेंगे. Of course they are far behind compared to the Bharti and Airtel and Reliance, but yes, let's see how they are going to do it. See, only the problem what lies, when you lose your customer to your competitor, normally no, the customer don't change easily. Reason I tell you, like earlier also I was having a Vodafone number with me. Okay, service में कोई problem नहीं थी. Honestly, my service was okay, everything was going on well. लेकिन फिर बीच में क्या हुआ, that we started thinking, okay, let us change because of Vodafone issue, ये जो चल रहा था ना, then we converted, the whole family member got converted into Bharti Airtel. Okay, now normally a customer will never change his network. ओके, अनलेस ही इज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद द नेटवर्क, यानी अगर उसका फोन नहीं लग रहा है या सिग्नल का प्रॉब्लम है या फ्रीक्वेंसी का प्रॉब्लम है तो बात अलग है, नहीं तो वो नंबर चेंज नहीं करता है. क्योंकि इन सबका अगर आप रेंटल्स भी देखोगे ना, इट विल बी 40-50 रुपीज हियर एंड देयर, उसमें कोई ज्यादा चेंज नहीं. दैट्स व्हाई once you lose this customer, normally it's very difficult to get them back. Again, the Jio and Airtel are far behind in terms of technology, in terms of Geo fiber and all that. Like I have at the Bharti Airtel at home, so I have a combo plan, no mobile, no, and again the as this one, no box, this one Geo, like Geo fiber वैसे Airtel का वो black है ना, Airtel black, that I have. So when you have a such type of everything combined, in that way it is cheaper for you. So this is what where no Vodafone will be struggling a lot, because Jio and both Bharti will have are having a strong network, and to compete with them you have to put lot of money on table to create that type of infrastructure. Whether they are able to create, that future will tell. Whether they will be surviving, yes, they may, but it's a pure risk you are taking, that okay, it may get double triple also, नीचे भी कम हो सकता है. देखो ये 6 से 18 रुपए तो ऐसे घूमते रहता है, from 6 rupees to 20 rupees, it is, I think from years together it is running, तो वो सब हो सकता है. But whether it will be compounded, I don't know. I really doubt currently the way the financial position is there of a company and all that. See, the main motto of this video is nothing but to give you a perspective, how you see a stock like Vodafone. I know there is lot of buzz going on about this stock and all that. But what I told you, just keep in mind, guys, and accordingly invest. Otherwise, the money is yours. It's your choice what to do. Guys, hope you like this video. If you like it, again, don't think as a suggestion or something. It is just I'm giving you the information how to do it. Okay, if you like this video, do like it and share it where you can. Do subscribe to our channel. By the way, we have a Black Friday offer going on, that is starting from tomorrow Wednesday evening, that session. Please join that without fail. I tell you, believe me, some exciting offers are coming towards you. Okay, so I'll see you soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.